How to fix Xfinity Wi-Fi blinking light issue.
Hello everyone. In this video, we'll walk you through how to fix the Xfinity Wi-Fi blinking light issue. A blinking light on your Xfinity Wi-Fi router can indicate a variety of issues, from connection problems to updates. But don't worry, this step-by-step guide will help you resolve the issue and get your internet up and running smoothly.
Identify the blinking light issue.
The first step is to identify the nature of the problem. Your Xfinity Wi-Fi router's lights can indicate different issues depending on their color and the way they're blinking. Check your router and note the color of the blinking light, and whether it is fast blinking, slow blinking, or alternating between different colors.
Power cycle your router.
Most issues can be resolved by power cycling your router. This essentially means turning your router off and then back on again. 1. Unplug your router from the power outlet. 2. Wait for about 30 seconds to a minute. 3. Plug the router back into the power outlet. 4. Wait for the router to fully reboot. This will refresh the router's settings and might just fix your problem.
Check your cable connections.
If power cycling doesn't work, you need to check your cable connections. Make sure all the cables connecting your Xfinity router to your devices and to the power outlet are secure. Loose or damaged cables can cause connection issues.
Reset your router.
If the light is still blinking, you may need to reset your router. But be cautious, as this will erase your current settings and restore your router to its factory settings. 1. Find the reset button on your router. It's usually a small hole at the back of the router. 2. Use a paperclip or something similar to press and hold the reset button for about 15 seconds. 3. Release the button and wait for the router to reboot.
Contact Xfinity support.
If none of these steps resolve the issue, it's time to contact Xfinity support. They may be able to provide more specific troubleshooting steps, or it may indicate an issue on their end or with your router itself. So there you have it. We hope this video has been helpful in resolving your Xfinity Wi-Fi blinking light issue. As always, if the problem persists, don't hesitate to reach out to Xfinity customer service for further assistance. Stay connected and have a great day.